Old crawler tractors are more than just machines. They are symbols of an era where brute strength and bold engineering shaped the world we know today. In today's video, we will explore the history of old crawler tractors, their incredible achievements, and the legacy they left for modern machines. HTZ T-74. Have you ever heard of a tractor that survived the test of time and marked the history of agricultural mechanization in the Soviet Union? The HTZ T-74 is a Soviet crawler tractor produced by the Kharkiv Tractor Plant in Ukraine between 1960 and 1984. With a four-cylinder, four-stroke liquid-cooled SMD-14A diesel engine, the T-74 produced 75 horsepower, which is equivalent to 55 kilowatts. This allowed it to tackle tough soils and perform heavy tasks with greater efficiency. The T-74's transmission system was one of its major advantages. With 9 forward gears and 1 reverse, it could operate at speeds ranging from 1.5 miles per hour to 7.2 miles per hour. This speed range allowed it to be used for both delicate tasks and operations requiring faster movement. Additionally, the hydraulic system was independent and featured 2- and 3-point hitch connections, enabling the use of mounted, semi-mounted, and towed implements. This flexibility made the T-74 useful for various agricultural activities, from soil preparation to hauling loads. Fiat 455C. The Fiat 455C is an agricultural crawler tractor manufactured by Fiat between 1970 and 1982. Equipped with a 2.6-liter 3-cylinder Fiat diesel engine, it generates approximately 47.3 horsepower. Its manual transmission has 6 gears, allowing versatility for various agricultural applications. Weighing 5,105 pounds and with a wheelbase of 51 inches, the 455C is known for its robustness and efficiency in difficult terrains. This model is part of Fiat's 55 series, which includes other crawler tractors, like the 355C and 505C. The series is known for its durability and performance in demanding agricultural operations. In the used market, the Fiat 455C is still sought after by enthusiasts and professionals who value its solid construction and ability to perform well in challenging terrain. For example, A 1990 model was listed for $5,960, indicating its continued value in the market. Users report that replacement parts for the 455C are relatively easy to find, and the machine is well built, although its weight requires a suitable workshop for maintenance. In summary, the Fiat 455C remains a reliable option for agricultural work that demands strength and stability on tough terrain, reflecting Fiat's tradition of producing high-quality agricultural machines. HTZ T-150. The T-150 is a family of general-purpose high-energy consumption crawler tractors produced by the Kharkiv Tractor Plant since 1970. On the T-150 tractor, the engine is located in the front. It is coupled with a clutch and a 2-speed gearbox, with 2 output shafts connected by cardan gears to the right and left bevel gears installed on the rear axle. The main gears are connected to the final planetary gears, on which the crawler chain sprockets are mounted. The tractor is driven in 2 ways. Kinematically, by engaging different gears on the left and right sides using hydraulic pressure clutches, and electrically, by reducing the oil pressure on the hydraulic pressure clutch on the delayed side. The SMD60 diesel engine was specifically developed for the T150 tractor. The engine is a liquid-cooled, turbocharged 6-cylinder V-type engine. Operational power is 150 horsepower. The engine is started by a gasoline starter motor, which in turn is powered by an electric starter motor. After the production of the SMD60 engine ceased, a YAMZ 236D3 6-cylinder, naturally aspirated liquid-cooled V-type engine with an operational power of 170 horsepower was installed in the tractor. Electric start. Oliver OC3 crawler tractor. The Oliver OC3 is a crawler tractor produced by the Oliver Farm Equipment Company between 1951 and 1957. This model was an evolution of the Cletrac HG, which Oliver continued to produce after acquiring the Cleveland tractor company, Cletrac, in 1944. But what made the OC3 such a special model, and why, even decades after its production ceased, does it still spark interest? The heart of the Oliver OC3 was its Hercules four-cylinder gasoline-powered engine with a displacement of 134 cubic inches, 2.2 liters. This engine provided a rated power of 22 horsepower at the drawbar and 26.5 horsepower at the pulley, providing enough strength for heavy tasks. Despite being compact, it stood out for its balance between power and fuel-efficient consumption, which was crucial for the time. Another strong point of the OC3 was its manual transmission with 3 forward gears and 1 reverse. While it may seem limited compared to more modern models, this setup was enough to deliver good performance across different types of terrain. Combined with its 10-inch wide tracks, this transmission allowed the tractor to operate with stability and efficiency, even on difficult soils, such as swampy or inclined terrains. Weighing around 3,158 pounds, the OC3 was not an extremely heavy tractor by crawler tractor standards, making it easier to transport and maneuver. Cletrac Modeler D. Imagine a tractor capable of handling the most challenging terrains, operating with efficiency and power, even under the harshest conditions. A piece of equipment that made history and is still remembered today for its robustness and reliability. This is the Cletrac Model AD, a machine that revolutionized the use of crawler tractors in agriculture and construction. This tractor was powered by a 4-cylinder, 3.7-litre diesel engine. This power unit generated 30.5 horsepower at the drawbar and 38 horsepower at the pulley, making it one of the most powerful crawler tractors in its segment at the time. For farmers and heavy machinery operators, this meant superior performance in soil movement, land preparation, and even earthworks. Its fuel efficiency was also a significant advantage, allowing long work days without the constant need for refueling. Another key feature of the Model AD was its manual transmission, with 3 forward gears and 1 reverse. With speeds ranging from 1.79 miles per hour to 3.24 miles per hour, this tractor was able to balance power and control, which was essential for demanding tasks in rugged terrain. Additionally, the use of 12-inch wide tracks provided greater stability and traction, allowing the tractor to operate on soft soils, marshes and inclines without losing performance. This made it an indispensable tool for both agriculture and construction. Caterpillar 2-ton. The Caterpillar 2-ton crawler tractor is one of the historic models from Caterpillar, produced between 1925 and 1928. This model was a continuation of the Holt 2-ton, previously known as the Holt T-35, which was introduced in 1921. After the merger of Holt Manufacturing Company with C.L. Best Tractor Cummins in 1925, forming Caterpillar Tractor Co., now the Holt 2-ton was renamed to Caterpillar 2-ton. The engine of this tractor was gasoline-powered and had 4 cylinders, with a displacement ranging from 4.1 to 4.5 liters. For its time, this engine was quite advanced, as it included a valve control on the cylinder head, which was not common in tractors from the 1920s. The power was also a highlight. At the drawbar, the 2-ton delivered approximately 15 horsepower, while at the pulley it could reach 25 horsepower. In tests, these values reached 18.2 horsepower at the drawbar and 25.5 horsepower at the pulley, showing that the tractor had reliable performance for the demands of the period. Another feature was its transmission. Unlike other tractors of the time, which usually placed the gearbox between the clutch and the crown gear, the Caterpillar 2-ton innovated by placing the transmission behind the crown and pinion at the rear of the machine. This configuration allowed for more efficient weight distribution and helped increase the durability of the transmission system. The tractor had 3 forward gears, which was sufficient for the agricultural and construction applications of that time. Allis-Chalmers Model K crawler. The Allis-Chalmers Model K is a crawler tractor produced between 1929 and 1943 by Allis-Chalmers in the United States. Approximately 9,168 units of this model were manufactured. The Model K was equipped with a gasoline engine with 4 cylinders and an impressive 8.4-liter displacement. For its time, this was a large engine, providing enough power to handle the challenges of the field and demanding construction projects. The rated drawbar power was 35.5 horsepower, but in practical tests, this number reached 53.6 horsepower. This means it could handle heavy implements and tow large loads efficiently. One of the standout features of the Allis-Chalmers Model K was its extremely durable construction. With an operational weight of approximately 11,475 pounds, it was a true fortress on tracks. This weight helped with stability and soil adhesion, making it ideal for uneven or muddy terrains.
Blade that has the uprights to go up and over the whole tractor.
Another feature that set this tractor apart was its continuous work capacity. Its fuel tank had a capacity of 39 gallons, ensuring hours of operation without the need for constant refueling. For heavy-duty tasks, this was a huge advantage. I hope you enjoyed today's video. Up next, we will have more content that may spark your interest.